Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations with my daughter,
Sherry.
And we are coming today because I have the Quilty Box. And it's called Mrs. Quilty. And I have two of them. Show your box. So we each got a box.
It's not my box.
Well, the box.
The box. Box. A second box.
Yes.
So box one.
And box two.
Box two.
So box one is the very beginning. The first three boxes are for beginners. So this is where you start your journey on learning how to quilt. I have box one and box two. So I'm going to give away box one and I'm going to do a video on box two. So if you would like box one, please make in the comment that you want the Mrs. Quilty Box. I'll have the drawing probably either, you're going to be here Saturday or Sunday? What day are you going to come over?
I don't know. If they have a shift on Saturday, I'm going to pick it up.
All right, so you're coming over on Sunday?
It'd be Sunday. I'll definitely be here.
Okay, so next week. So that gives you a week to make a comment. And in the meantime, probably this coming Wednesday, today is Sunday, I will go ahead and make the kit. There's, I believe they say there's like 3 or 4 different projects that you can make up to 3 of the 4 or 2 of the 4 based on the fabric that you get, because you'll get notions and you get fabric in the box. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the link. I've saved it on my phone. I'll make a copy of it and I'll slip it in this video and it'll have my code and my link. Now the code is going to be Kathy20. So Sherry wanted to say a couple of things about the box. Go ahead.
Now, if I'm not mistaken, the first
3 boxes.
The first
right here.
3 boxes are beginner, intermediate, and then all the way to advanced. So your 1, 2, 3. The first 3 boxes are your beginner box. The box number 4, 5, and 6 looks like 7 also. So 4, 5, 6, and 7 are intermediate. And then when you're doing the last 3 boxes,
he has a bone he brought up.
it's gotta be banded. The last 3 boxes, numbers 8, 9, and 10, are advanced. So they're slowly getting you to the advanced stage of quilting.
Right.
With each box, you're getting further and further along, so you're becoming more comfortable. And then, so my question was, do they have a pre-beginner box? Because that's what I need.
I've already looked at box number 1.
I don't know, maybe just that book, a pamphlet.
That is a pre. That would be a pre-advanced. That's not a pre-advanced. That's a pre-beginner.
Pre-beginner?
Yeah. You don't need to know anything about quilting to start these boxes.
Yeah,
okay?
You have to know something about it. Surely
you need a sewing machine. You need your basic things. So you're going to need rotary cutter. They're going to give you the fabric, a ruler, that kind of thing. Pins, clips, whatever you got.
I don't have any of that.
You fibber, you. She has that.
I don't think I have a rotary cutter.
Yeah, you do. I gave you one, honey. I gave you a rotary cutter. You have one. You do. It's either purple or it's red or some kind.
It's got to be over here in this box.
It probably is.
Because I had started something over here.
So when you get your box, their booklet, it's not just a pamphlet, but it's an actual booklet. It has a whole bunch of information in it. And the first box, now you will get a recipe. I can't say the word recipe. It'll be a recipe.
It's like, I don't know what you get.
The next book will be something else. The next book will be something else. They always give you something like that. So I'm just going to read a little bit off of the book. So it says...
No, this is box 2.
1.
2. 2.
1, honey. Don't... Remember, what did I tell you about box 2? Don't say it out loud.
I don't know.
All right, never mind. So they want you to share your creations when you do your box on Instagram and on Facebook. And they have them in here in their little booklet. They have all kinds of information in their booklet. Oh, also, box 1, it says a special holiday gift from Mrs. Quilty. So you're going to get a discount code for some stuff off on your box. That's the one I'm giving away with the discount code, okay? Box number 1, not number 2. So if you want the box, go ahead. Do you want to add something else?
No, I was going to say, don't listen to me. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I don't know what box number 1 or 2. If it doesn't have a number 1 and a number 2 on it, I don't know.
See that? What did I tell you about that? What's that color? Without saying it, what did I tell you about the color? She doesn't remember.
It's pretty. I like it.
Okay. That's it for today. Put your vote in. You want the box. And Hey, if you don't want the box, but you know somebody that you want to give the box to, go ahead and say you want the box. I'll put your name in there.
Hey,
It doesn't
that'll
have to
work
be
too.
that. Yeah, it can be you. If I wanted to get the box for my neighbor next door, I don't even know if she sews, but if I wanted to, I'd put my name in. When I win, I'd present it to her. It doesn't specifically, I mean, I'm not doing a live, so you don't have to be present to win, that kind of thing. This is anybody, okay? But you got to only put your name in one time.
Right.
So put your comment below. And thank you, everybody, for watching. And anybody that's new to sewing, this would be the perfect box to get the first time around.
Do they have to say that, you know, like in YouTube, when they put their name in, they say, I want the box. Do they need to say they want the box?
Yes, they literally need to say they want the box.
So you really need to write in there, I want this box.
You want to show the box again?
Yes, I will show the box.
Okay, and there it is. Yep.
Mrs. Quilty.
And it's about that thick,
Oh,
just to give you an idea. So it's the size of the paper, I guess. A little bit bigger than a piece of paper.
So,
And if you want to check it out before, you put your name in, there you go. Or you can put your name in beforehand.
Say you should be able to go to the website and see.
Yeah, check it out and find out what it says. They have lots of information. All right, that's it. I'm trying not to make this too long.
Because we already did it once.
I wasn't going to say that, but
I'm sorry. I'm going to be completely transparent. We did it once and it failed. So now we had to use a different device and start from scratch again.
so there you go. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.